Hi guys, thanks for clicking on my video. Today we're going to make some nice simple little dangly hook earrings using these howlite skull beads. You see those there. I'll put that out the way. And what we'll need for this project today is just some little beads with a hole that goes straight through. And we're going to need some pins with a flat end on them and some hooks. And what we're going to do is pop the pin through to create a little end which we'll chop off and then make a little loop, an open loop, which will hook onto our little earring hooks there. So we'll start off needing these pliers and little cutting pliers for our project today. So if you grab your little flat-headed pin, pick up your desired bead, pop it through the end, and then just bend it back so that you'll get that effect. Once you've bent it back, pop your fingers just on the edges, grab your little snipping pliers, cut it, I'd say about halfway through the pin. Hold your fingers on the end so that it doesn't fly away. Snip and release. And then grab your other pliers so that you can make a loop. Pop it on the end. Twist your wrist around, making a nice tidy loop. Pull that out, and then as you can see, our loop is open. Now, once you have an open loop, grab your little earring hook, pop it through the loop, and then what you want to do is use the end of your pliers just to close up your loop, giving it another little twist, closing it up, and there you have it, your first little earring, nicely hooked on, very simple dangling. Now, we'll start that through again. Your little pin hoop that gets popped through and bent back. And once you have your bend, you're then going to create a little twist And once you've got your open twist, you're going to pop in a little hook onto the end and then close that little hoop up, giving you your earring. So it is pin, hook, bead, very simple, popping through, bending, looping, she says. This one is not playing ball, guys. Hooking it through. Goodness. And then closing up your hook. Oh, goodness. There we go. So there we have it. We've made a whole lot of different coloured, fun little earrings to wear. Thanks, guys, for joining me today. Please give us a little thumbs up if you've liked the project.